Hi guys! Let's try to solve the following problems. Okay, we have here, in how many ways can you rearrange the word fit? Okay, let's focus on the word. Since meron tayong repeated element dito, yung nauulit, which is letter E, this one is considered distinguishable permutation. And we have the formula, P is equal to N factorial over P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial. Itong mga to, yung repeated objects. Pero dahil isa lang yung nauulit, which is letter E, we only have P factorial. So, let's identify N first. Yung N is just the number of letters or objects. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? For P, we have yung letter E, di ba? Ilan siya? Dalawa. Okay? Now, we can have this one in the formula. So, permutation is equal to N factorial, which is 4 factorial, over our P factorial, which is 2 factorial. Okay? So, we expand 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 factorial is 2 times 1. We can cancel. So, what will remain is just 4 times 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. So, there are 12 ways. Ganun lang yun. Okay? Now, you try. In how many ways can you rearrange the word books? Okay? What do you think will be the answer? Oh, don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!